Was here with Dan Flaherty from Johnson Controls. Dan is the man who can at Johnson. Dan stopped by the office today. You want to have a chance to sort of catch up with you. Dan, what's been going on at JCI?
A lot, Eric. We made the acquisition of Air Distribution Technologies, as you know.
Right.
And so we're going through the process right now, just understanding what we bought and seeing all these great new products that are part of the Johnson Controls line card, and obviously the opportunities for distribution partners like yourself.
Well, it's fantastic. It seems like one of the things is that you guys are going to offer the whole package. And with the, buying York several years back,
That's right.
being able to package the controllers, almost a turnkey solution, right?
That's absolutely right. For our construction business, service business, and our multiple channels to market, it makes a lot of sense to have the full bill of materials on a job, and so it's just one other thing you can add and include it as part of your scope.
Yeah. And we want to talk about the ControlTrends Awards because you guys won big last year. Johnson Controls with the 2013 HVAC Controls Vendor of the Year.
I'm proud of that.
Yeah, absolutely. And this year you got a bunch of candidates up. Chris Eitman is up for the HVAC Controls Executive of the Year. He was co-winner of that.
That's right.
The first year.
Absolutely.
And Chris Lane, and Matt Krieger both up for awards. And of course, the Johnson Controls FX product is up for several awards too.
Yeah, we're excited about that. I know our Facility Explorer sales have just been growing tremendously over the years, and it has a lot to do with the support that great folks like Chris Lane and Matt Krieger are able to offer. And come this March, we're having our show again, and it's down in Orlando. Yeah. It's close to home, and so what a great way to kick off the show with some awards, maybe bringing from ControlTrends.
Well, I tell you what, you guys invited us last year to cover the business conference. Absolutely. Last year. We thought it was absolutely phenomenal. As a matter of fact, you can go to ControlTrends.org. See a lot of that footage, but you guys really took an approach, Dan, that I appreciate. I think a bunch of other people did too, which is you guys really brought speakers in that could talk about how, whether we're a contractor or a distributor, whatever kind of business you're in, how to be more successful in the business. You guys addressed issues like, dealing with the Generation Y, about how to deal with social media.
That's
and
right.
That was very well appreciated. Anything you can share about the new conference?
Yeah, so Rick and Chris and all of us are going through the agenda, and backed by popular demand, there will be some of, especially the HR side, that was so beneficial, the feedback we got. So we surveyed everybody after the show, stuff that worked, stuff that didn't work, and we're just going to listen to our customers and still have those tracks though, of a business track, a technical track. And we're hoping for double the attendance. So wish us luck, and our customers are inviting their customers, and we're going to get everybody together at the same time.
Well, we were there last year. Like I said, we got to cover for ControlTrends, but also as a Johnson Controls distributor, and Ken Smyers is a Johnson distributor as well. I mean, we were just both blown away by how useful the conference was. So encourage everybody to register for that. As a matter of fact, Dan, as soon as we get a link, we'll put it up on ControlTrends so people can go through there and register
Wonderful.
if they want to.
Great idea.
And so we've got the conference coming up. We've got the ControlTrends Awards coming up, and excited about that. Johnson Controls is a platinum sponsor for the 2014 ControlTrends Awards. They have been supporting the awards since day one, so thank you very much for that.
We're proud of that. Yeah.
Really, really appreciate that. We got a lot of new categories this year, so it's going to be a great awards ceremony, I think. And then last but not least, you guys are so innovative. Both Chris Lane and Matt Krieger have been on. We do the Johnson Controls Tech Talk, which is a live stream that we do on ControlTrends.org. I think next we got the Johnson Asset Tool coming back up. So that's been very well received, Dan. So thank you guys so much for your support with that.
Yeah, I had a lot of great feedback when we came and did the drives with Wayne Chrissy here, and just trying to bring as much technical capability and information as we can through this great medium of ControlTrends.
Absolutely, appreciate it. So my guest is Dan Flaherty with Johnson Controls. Dan, outside of the local distributors, which is where people should be going, I mean, is there, I know you guys are real big with the website, making information available. For our users out there that might not have experienced Johnson Controls through the distribution side, is there a good website for them to go to, or what's the best way to get hold of?
Yeah, we've done a good job, johnsoncontrols.com, but we now have a distributor link. We really want that information to go locally with our many partners across North America, so we point them in the right direction, and yeah, my opinion is your best resource is your local resource, so feel free to reach out.
Absolutely. And Dan, if you watched the conference last year, the kind of the conference video, the dune buggies.
Oh.
And that was Dan Flaherty driving that dune buggy with the mask on, looking like Pancho Villa or whatever. But that was a great time. So you guys really mixed a lot of fun with pleasure. So the Johnson Controls Conference, check that out. Dan, thanks for taking a few minutes to stop by.
Yeah, my pleasure, Eric. Thank you.